I feel like there's no other way to start in junk removal than to get the JRA Business Package. My name's Reilly. I'm with Delta Junk Removal. I'm in Mobile, Alabama, and I've been in business for almost 2 months now. Currently, I'm a business package client. I bought my truck from JRA. I used the SEO and the Google. I noticed pretty quickly that before we even got started, they started doing some SEO, and we quickly moved onto the first page before we even got started. Since we've started, all my clients, they tell us, you showed up first, When we typed in junk removal, you were the first one to show up. We're just all over the internet. The Google ads and the organic search results have really paid off. Just the hands-on experience you've gotten from Lee and the entire team at JRA, it's just a very, everyone there cares about your business, cares about you. Throughout the entire first couple months I've been in business, everyone's reaching out, checking in with me, making sure everything's going okay, following up, letting me know how everything's going with my SEO, with my Google, with my calls. You go through the business class and you realize that, you get up there and you've paid money and, you realize that your money was very well spent. You've probably got way more than you paid for. Everything they've taught you about the business, you can go into your first day feeling like, you're already a pro at the business, and you feel like you have a leg up on everyone in your hometown, in your city, and you have that confidence going into business. We want to be, when you think about junk removal in Mobile, you think about Delta Junk Removal.